These are the most powerful impact wrenches Milwaukee has ever created, and I'm excited to show you how they can change your life. With a fastening torque of up to 550 lbs and a nut-busting force of up to 650 lbs, you can easily replace the need for high-torque impact wrenches, allowing you to work on smaller diameter bolt heads when you're working on passenger vehicles. This one impact wrench can replace the need for a heavier high torque 95% or more of the time. On the other hand, these impact wrenches are incredibly compact for their power level, weighing only 6 inches in length and coming in at just 5 pounds. With a 5.0Ah battery, they have the most powerful battery system in our lineup, providing you with more run time than ever before. And the lightweight design means you can work for longer periods without feeling fatigue. All that power comes in a sleek, durable chassis with an ergonomic grip for improved control and a comfortable wrist support. The M18 Fuel series of impact wrenches come in various sizes and styles, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your toolbox. Whether you're a heavy equipment mechanic or a diesel mechanic working on your truck, these impact wrenches have got you covered.